Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Capcut to TikTok on your iPhone. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. Once you are successfully logged in, that would make connecting Capcut to your TikTok account very seamless. And you just have to follow the on-screen instructions. Agree and continue. All right, and then now I need you to click your Capcut account. Very quickly, go to the profile icon where you can see the manage account. All right, from here you would notice that there is a view profile. Click on it, and then click the edit profile. You would notice that you have two links at the bottom, which has the TikTok and YouTube. All you have to do is click the TikTok, click the add button, and you would be forwarded to this section we're in. Remember earlier I asked you to log into your TikTok account already, so it's going to be a lot easier to connect these accounts. And all you have to do is read and understand all the information. And if you're happy with it, just click on continue. As you can see, your TikTok has been linked to your Capcut already successfully without any problem. Now, if you wanted to do the same thing to your TikTok, you might want to log into your TikTok account. From here, go to your profile, and you would notice that we have successfully connected our TikTok account to Capcut. All right, and if you want to share your profile, you might want to do so by clicking this option. You can copy link, share link to this so that users will follow your content here in TikTok using Capcut as your editing tools. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.